Multicloud wasn't a strategy, it was a series of decisions. AWS here, Azure there, on-prem where it made the most sense. But now you're running multiple platforms, each with its own backup tool. The problem is finding one solution that protects all of it. Per-cloud tools were built for their own environment. They weren't designed to talk to each other, so you end up with inconsistent backup policies, blind spots, silos where data can't be backed up across clouds, and no unified view of what's actually protected. Veeam Data Platform was built to protect across clouds, not just the environment production lives on. One platform, one protection engine, one solution. Native backup for each major cloud, all managed from one console. The result? Your team stops context switching across tools and starts acting on what matters. Cross-cloud backup copies means your data isn't locked to one place. An Azure backup can live in AWS, an AWS backup on-premises, and your Azure and on-prem backups can land in the immutable, air-gapped Veeam Data Cloud Vault at a flat rate. Vendor lock-in stops being a recovery risk. Your data goes wherever it makes the most sense. And when recovery pressure is on, you need a target that is actually ready. Instant recovery to Azure means your physical and virtual workloads, not just cloud-native ones, can come online in minutes. And cross-cloud restore means you're not stuck. VMware to Azure, on-premises to AWS, cross-platform without re-architecting anything. Recovery has a real target. Your workloads recovered to the cloud when you need them. Many clouds, one platform, no gaps. That's the environment you've been trying to build. It doesn't require ripping out what you have. It just requires the right platform. See how Veeam unifies multi-cloud protection. Start your free trial or book time with a cloud specialist today.